goodness. I don't think we needed our wood, but we had it. Anyway, so now we're in the de-installation process, and we wanted to just do a quick video. We practiced one, FYI, we didn't want to do this live, to show you how to kind of shimmy them out without the least amount of damage.
You can use a screwdriver, but what we're choosing to use is the back of the hammer, because if you come on up here, you actually can put it underneath these and just lift up like that, and they come right out. And it also helps, so we just shimmy it out like this, one side at a time. All right, back up for a minute and get the whole picture. You gotta get that one underneath. So again, there's no anything, and that just took less than, I don't know, it took less than a minute to get that down. And look, like that again, the handles that we put on are really important in the process, because we just put them up and down, and then you take them off like this, and you store them until the next time that you need them. All right.
These are stainless steel, so hopefully we won't have any rusting as we reuse these.
All right. So good luck, and I hope this helped and helps you prepare for anything that comes your way.
Just wanted to show you, probably the most we're going to have to do is touch up a little bit of paint. You can see here that there's a little bit of scrape, but it's not too bad. The bottom part is white. You can't even see anything. And the top part is just these tiny little scrapes. So we're going to go with a touch-up of paint rather than having to drill any holes in anything. So just some other tips for you. Since this is the first time we've installed these boards, we decided to go ahead and mark them top left and top right on all of them, just because we did have to trim 2 of them on the way in from the original cut at the store, and this way we know that they should fit, because we do have a couple of frames that weren't even. Also, for our own purposes, we had the back with whose bedroom it was, but we did not put that to the exterior side, so we just did that for our own, but we put the handles on the opposite side of where we had our kids' names and our bedrooms' names and things like that.
And just to let you guys know, we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows, and it took around 20 minutes to take them down. And in my opinion, that's not very bad at all. Also, we have these handles that we carry this wood with. They're like very affordable and cheap, but they literally go under the plywood like this, and you carry the plywood around like that, and 2 people can easily just, or one person, it will
put them on opposite sides. So you put one on one side and one on the other, and then you can carry them much easier, because the handles are good to get it up, but they do hurt your hands when you're carrying them. All the PLYLOX clips for the whole house are fitting in this one Tupperware. And again, they're stainless steel, so they should stay good. None of them were wet or anything when we put them in here. They're all dry. So this is how we're going to store them.
So if you see, we put it right behind our shelving here in our garage. We don't have a very big garage, so we had to find a place to sort of hide it. This is about 8 inches of wood back here, but it's for all of the windows, so it works. And then we hide it, and then we don't have to worry about it till next time.